Job introduction or what they do. A judge is an appointed or an elected person who previously was a lawyer. Judges conduct court proceedings. They have to be impartial and have to understand the meaning and significance of the law. Judges need to know that justice is much more than comprehending the law. They also have to display understanding for the people on both sides of the case. The role of the judge depends on the presence or absence of a jury. When the jury is present, then the judge just ensures that everything that is happening in the courtroom or in the jury room is according to the law. Otherwise, without the jury, the judge decides the fate of the case. How to steps. 1. Appointment. Before the 18th Constitutional Amendment, appointments of judges in the Supreme Court were made by the President of Pakistan through the recommendation of the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. This led to a lot of favoritism, hence the role of governments in judicial appointments was reduced. Hence in May 2010 a new Judicial Commission and Parliamentary Committee are established for appointments. The Parliamentary Committee oversees the recommendation of the Judicial Court. In the High Court, judges are appointed in the same manner as in the Supreme Court. In the case of additional district and session judges are appointed by the provincial high courts, from a group of lawyers and subordinate judges. However, they must also pass an examination held by the high courts. The subordinate judges are promoted from senior civil judges. Even the civil judges are appointed by the provincial high courts on the recommendation of the Provincial Public Service Commission. These commissions have competitive exams annually, which are promoted in national newspapers. The main qualifications are LL.B. from a well-recognized university and 3 years of experience as an advocate in the jurisdiction in question. The exams include various papers for many subjects. So in order to become a judge you have to first become a lawyer and then be appointed as a judge. In order to become a practicing lawyer you have to first get enrolled in the Provincial Bar Council. After passing the LL.B. in Pakistan, an individual can get himself enrolled in the Bar Council. The enrollment as an advocate depends upon the individual passing through the subjective or MCQ typewritten exam within a period of 2.5 years in 4 attempts. After that they have to complete 6 months of apprenticeship and pass viva voce examination. 2. In order to become an advocate in the High Court, which is the second-level position, a license is obtained after you have completed practicing for 2 years in the lower court. This is done by application. These applications are reviewed by High Court judges. Point 3. After successful practice as an advocate at High Court level for 10 years, an application can be placed to the Bar Council to become an advocate at the Supreme Court. This application is also reviewed by a panel of Supreme Court judges. If you fail, you can also reapply. If you want to become a judge, then you can also apply for that and pass any examination requirements or stand in front of the respective deciding committees after applying. Course structure. In order to become a member of the Bar Council or in order to first become a practicing lawyer you have to pass a questionnaire which contains the following subjects: Civil Procedure Code, Criminal Procedure Court, Limitation Act, Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, Legal Practitioners and Bar Councils Act 1973, Canons of Professional Conduct and Etiquette of Advocate as framed by the Bar Council of Pakistan, Court Fees Act, Suits Validation Act and Canon-e-Shahadat. In order to become a civil judge you have to be recommended by the Provincial Public Service Commission and you also have to give an examination. This examination has many papers. For example, in Punjab these papers include English language and essay, Urdu language and essay, Islamic studies, Pakistan studies, general knowledge, criminal law, civil law 1 and 2, and general law. Job opportunities. There are job opportunities for judges in Pakistan. They are mainly appointed, however, they are also hired at times depending on the court and government requirements. These judges are respected and advertisements are also placed in newspapers or even online. Top 10 law schools of Pakistan. University of Dhokhajung, Baria University Sargodha, University of Sindh, Hyderabad, University of Balochistan, Quetta, Baharuddin Zakri University, Multan, Peshawar University, Peshawar, Gomal University, Dera Ismail Khan, Shah Abdul Latif University, Khairpur, Islamia University, Bahawalpur, Hamdard University, Karachi.